Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. I hope you guys can. But we're on our way to a little Mexico session that's filmed in CGI. So there's a lot of CGI editing in here. We're going down to Tijuana, whatever it's called. I'm not familiar with the area, but yeah, that's where we're going right now to do some quick fun runs and testing of the car. So basically just want to do a quick intro before I get to the meet, because I don't know how much I'm going to film. I don't usually film at meets, but hopefully this will be a little bit of a nice compilation of testing with CGI and stuff like that for you guys. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, so I made it to the meet. We're actually leaving now. It's been like 30 minutes or something like that, so see how this goes. This Scat, I think is what it is, but when we raced from a 40, he got me really bad because I just spun all through second. But the other time we got like one really good run like off each other, and it was like pretty neck and neck, so it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty fast for being a Scat. So, but I was trying to race other people, but no one else wanted to go. You got him? Is he a Scat? He's a Scat. He's fast. I'm neck and neck with him, but he's fast. Oh. I'll run it, bro. I'll run it. I'll run it.
Dude, did you see that RS?
Alright guys, so that was kind of the end of our night right there. Took a little bit of, I don't know, I guess little tiny videos at the spots that we kind of parked at. But most of that hopefully was just content of us running in Mexico with some CGI cars and stuff like that. But nonetheless, my car was a trooper. It always is a trooper. It's pretty good. I mean, I try my best to maintain it as well as I can, but you know, at the same time, this thing's a trooper. I was actually in the middle of that. I was kind of scared because I was smelling a lot of clutch. So I thought it was like the DSG, but I was like, there's no way that this is the DSG, because this DSG can hold like 600 or something like that with a tune. I don't know. You can hold like basically like big turbo, like anything you throw at this car with this tune, I think. I'm pretty sure. So, you know, I was going through my mind and stuff, but there's some couple of races that were cool. I wish I got more people going, but you know, just some CGI cars that didn't want to render and stuff, so I didn't know where they went. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment something, let me know what I should race next. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.